For more than 20 years, scientists have debated the origin of a strange circular structure buried beneath the North Sea. First identified in seismic data collected during oil exploration, the formation, known as the Silverpit crater, appeared similar to an asteroid impact site, but the evidence was never fully convincing. Now, new research combining high-resolution seismic imaging, mineral analysis, and computer simulations has confirmed that an asteroid struck this region roughly 43 to 46 million years ago. The impact likely generated a massive tsunami and left behind a rare geological scar hidden beneath the ocean floor. In this video, we will explore how scientists solve the mystery of the Silverpit crater and what this discovery reveals about asteroid impacts on Earth. Let's get started. The structure at the center of this story is known as the Silverpit crater, located in the southern North Sea, about 80 miles off the coast of Yorkshire. It lies roughly 700 meters beneath the seabed and measures around 3 kilometers in diameter. The crater was initially recognized in seismic survey data used to map underground rock layers. These surveys revealed a circular depression surrounded by concentric rings of fractured rock, extending outward for nearly 20 kilometers. Structures like this are often associated with asteroid impacts, where the enormous energy released during a collision fractures surrounding rock and produces circular fault patterns. However, identifying an impact crater beneath the ocean floor is far more complicated than recognizing one on land. Layers of sediment can bury and distort geological features over millions of years, and similar circular structures can sometimes form through other processes. Because of this uncertainty, the origin of the Silverpit structure became the subject of a long scientific debate. Some geologists believe the feature was the result of a hypervelocity asteroid impact. Others argued that the circular shape was caused by movement of underground salt deposits, which can slowly deform rock layers and create dome-like structures in sedimentary basins such as the North Sea. Another possibility suggested that volcanic or tectonic activity might have triggered a collapse in the seabed. For years, the available evidence was not strong enough to confirm any of these explanations. The breakthrough came when researchers obtained improved seismic imaging and examined rock samples collected from nearby oil wells. A research team led by Dr. Eusdeen Nicholson analyzed these samples and discovered microscopic crystals of shocked quartz and feldspar embedded within the rock layers at the same depth as the crater floor. These minerals provide some of the strongest evidence for an asteroid impact. Their internal crystal structures are altered by extremely high pressures generated during hypervelocity collisions, pressures that cannot be produced by normal geological processes. The presence of these shock-altered minerals confirmed that the structure was formed by a powerful impact event. Once the mineral evidence was combined with the updated seismic imaging and computer models of asteroid impacts, the conclusion became clear. The Silverpit structure is a genuine impact crater created by a cosmic collision millions of years ago. Confirming the Silverpit crater is important because impact structures on Earth are relatively rare and often difficult to identify. Over geological timescales, erosion, tectonic movement, and sediment accumulation gradually erase many traces of ancient impacts. Today, scientists have confirmed roughly 200 impact craters on land. Beneath the oceans, however, the number is much smaller because marine environments tend to bury or destroy impact evidence more quickly. The Silverpit crater therefore represents a valuable opportunity to study how asteroid impacts interact with ocean environments. Researchers estimate that the asteroid responsible for the crater was about 160 meters in diameter. Although much smaller than the asteroid that created the Chicxulub crater, it still carried enormous kinetic energy when it collided with Earth. Computer simulations suggest the asteroid approached from the west at a shallow angle before striking the seabed at extremely high velocity. When it hit the ocean floor, the collision released a tremendous amount of energy, transferring shock waves through both rock and seawater. The impact blasted a plume of rock, sediment, and water high into the atmosphere. Some models suggest that this plume may have risen more than a kilometer above the ocean surface before collapsing back into the sea. As the material fell back into the water, it generated a powerful tsunami. Estimates indicate that waves near the impact site may have exceeded 100 meters in height before spreading outward across the surrounding region. Although events of this scale are rare, the Silverpit impact demonstrates how even moderately sized asteroids can produce significant regional effects. The discovery also highlights how scientific understanding evolves as new data becomes available. Earlier studies lacked the mineral evidence needed to confirm the asteroid hypothesis, which allowed alternative explanations such as salt movement to remain plausible. Only after researchers examined new samples and applied modern analytical techniques did the impact origin become clear. Silverpit now joins a small group of confirmed impact structures that provide insight into how asteroid collisions shape planetary surfaces. These include famous sites such as the Chicxulub crater and other recently studied formations like the Nadir crater. Together, these craters help scientists compare different types of impacts and understand how geological conditions influence crater formation. Beyond resolving the origin of the Silverpit structure, the discovery raises several important questions for future research. One key area of interest is how asteroid impacts behave in marine environments. Because roughly 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water, many impacts throughout the planet's history likely occurred in oceans rather than on land. Yet, evidence for these events is often hidden beneath thick sediment layers on the seafloor. The Silverpit crater offers a rare opportunity to examine such an event in detail. By analyzing the structure of the crater and comparing it with computer simulations, researchers can better understand how shock waves propagate through water, sediment, and rock during an impact. This information helps refine models used to estimate the size of craters, the energy released during collisions, and the potential formation of tsunami waves. Scientists are also interested in identifying geological evidence of the ancient tsunami produced by the impact. If waves near the impact site reached heights of more than 100 meters, they may have left traces in surrounding sediment layers. Researchers are now investigating whether unusual deposits in the North Sea basin could represent remnants of this ancient wave event. The findings also contribute to broader efforts to understand asteroid hazards. Modern surveys have identified thousands of near-Earth asteroids whose orbits bring them close to our planet. While the vast majority pose no immediate threat, studying past impacts helps scientists evaluate the potential consequences of future collisions. Events like the Silverpit impact show that even asteroids only a few hundred meters across can produce powerful regional effects, particularly if they strike the ocean. Understanding these scenarios is important for planetary defense research, which focuses on detecting potentially hazardous asteroids and developing strategies to reduce impact risks. Finally, the study demonstrates how advances in scientific technology continue to reveal new information about Earth's past. Improvements in seismic imaging, mineral analysis, and computational modeling now allow researchers to investigate geological structures that were previously difficult to interpret. As these tools continue to evolve, scientists may discover additional hidden impact craters buried beneath sediment or concealed beneath the oceans. Each discovery provides another piece of the puzzle in understanding how cosmic collisions have shaped the history of our planet. The Silverpit crater is now confirmed as the result of an asteroid impact that occurred more than 40 million years ago beneath the North Sea. This discovery resolves a long-standing scientific debate and reveals how even moderate asteroid impacts can generate powerful ocean tsunamis. Studying events like this helps scientists better understand Earth's history and the potential risks from future asteroid collisions.